We believe that any training has to achieve three things in order to be effective. Retention. The first thing is retention. Learners need to remember the experience of learning and what it taught them. It sounds easy, but consider that in traditional presentation-style training, up to 80% of what you tell learners will be forgotten within 24 hours. We use our expertise to develop training materials that deliver learning in ways that are unusual, unexpected, surprising, and emotionally engaging, because those are the things we remember. Inspiration. The next step is inspiration. It's really important that learners can apply the learning to their own situations and see the merits of it. Unless that connection is made, then time spent on fun activities is wasted. We make sure that every training activity we create has clear links back to the workplace, and we give trainers the tools they need to help learners explore the learning and work out how they will apply it back in their jobs. Action. If people remember the learning and are inspired by it, they are much more likely to act upon it. However, there's more to do. We've created a library of review activities to encourage learners to reflect on the most important things they will use, and we built time for action planning into all of our complete courses, and most individual modules too.